starting to snow. It's like 28 degrees Fahrenheit, negative something Celsius. Let's go see if we can even do this. We might just turn around. I don't know. Hang on. I gotta fix everything. Okay. Well, it's snowing pretty good. We'll see if we even do this. I might just turn around and call it. I do want to test some new winter gear I have, so I'm not afraid of being warm or whatever, but definitely don't want to put yourself in a sticky situation. Not the snow. Well, this is gonna freeze tonight. Oh, it's starting to come down a bit more. Let's see how much of it sticks. Woo! I don't think you can see how much it's falling. It's coming down quite a bit. Just keep going for a little bit. Woo! Holy smokes! Oh, you can't even, there's a humongous mountain in there. You can't even see it. Whew. Maybe we'll just fly over real quick. It's supposed to get pretty cold tonight. It's supposed to go down to about 18 degrees Fahrenheit. Or colder, actually, since I'm going down into a bowl area. Celsius, I don't know what that is, -7 or -8 or something. Cold. Freezing cold, for sure. This is like that pebble snow. Woo! It's coming down. Yeah, I'm not too worried about keeping warm. I am worried about just being dumb though, you know? Set myself up when I really don't need to for a quick overnight. All my warm gear, I'm good to about -60. So I am cozy for Arctic conditions, but which this won't be. But still, I mean, you don't want to be stupid out here. Wow. Good thing it's not very slippery. I got a lot of extra weight. It's starting to build up a little bit. Still falling pretty good. Yeah, right here, there should be a humongous mountain in view. You can't see any of it. Of course, there's no one out here but me. Oh, there's the lake right there. Let's go walk around it and see if we want to even try it. Look at that. Besides the airplane overhead, it's really peaceful. Beautiful little lake. Lovely. Looks like the snow is letting up a little bit. Look at that lake. There's a giant mountain supposed to be behind there you can't see. Still snowing pretty good. It's really beautiful. Yeah, it's so pretty. Yeah, there you can kind of see the mountain there behind that. Not too bad. Okay. So you can kind of see that mountain now behind there. And this one, I think the snow's letting up a little bit. Nice. Oh, look at this little area. It's kind of a fire pit campground area. It's not bad. I don't plan on doing a fire. Oh, there's lots of areas for tents up here. This is kind of a larger flat spot. Oh yeah. Multi-camping, multi-tents. Look how pretty that is. Besides the man-made rock pit. Yeah, this might be a pretty good spot to set up, have this view. A lot of dead trees, but that is the nature of these high elevations. A lot of deadfall everywhere, a lot of dead trees. All right, maybe we try here. Boy, it's really pretty though, look at it. I kind of want to go walk around the rest of the lake just to see. But this is a pretty awesome spot. So quiet and nice. Let's look through here. Oh, this area is like a camper's dream. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, there's another large area over here. Got a rock ring and stuff. Lots of good choices of this lake. This one's tucked back in the woods a bit more. Snow sure is coming. It's kind of like those little powdery balls. It's starting to get heavier though. Snow's still falling. It's letting up a little bit. This lake is a pretty close one to where the road and parking lots are. There's a lot of great camp areas. There's no one here. It's peaceful, quiet. Why not have a look around? Nice little meadow area. You can tell it's kind of swampy-ish a little bit. There's a lot of water under there. How pretty is that? Check this side out. Yep, there's that mountain. You can start to see a little better. Woo, how pretty. There's like 3 lakes that go down there. They're kind of fun to go to. I never come to these in summer because they're so easy and close. But winter time, there's no one up here. I don't think I saw any other cars in this whole mountain area. I mean, who's crazy enough to come battle freezing below 0 temps in the snow? Not many. But here I am. Not sure how much more snow is supposed to fall. I don't think a lot more, but we're gonna find out, I guess. Worst case, I just get up and bail, you know? Get out of here. Well, I think I'm just gonna go here. How about this view? When the snow mountains, or the snow clouds are not there. It's really pretty. All right, let's come up here and start setting up. Okay, I gotta get these layers off. Getting a little hot. It's a short hike. I don't know, like a mile, not even that, something like that. Oh, I need somewhere to hang this, come on. There we go. There's a good little hook. All right, I'm gonna take this off too. I need to vent some sweat for a few minutes. All right, I got a lot of super warm stuff. And when I mean super warm, I mean like rated for crazy Alaska style weather. Like extreme negative temperatures. Far worse than what I will ever experience up here. Well, I mean it does get pretty cold up here, so. But at least for tonight, whew. So I thought, well, maybe we try it out just for fun. I was thinking about just tarping it, tarp camping, but we're gonna go with a classic Durston still. Love that thing. What is this? Hello, stick. Let's get her done. Let's put a door facing that way. Okay, I think I've vented long enough. I think the elevation, I think we're like 10,300 feet range. I might just be chilling in the tent for a second here. Snow's starting to pick up again. Okay. Okay. It's really kind of lopsided. Snow's kind of stopped, so we'll roll this up temporarily. Get all this stuff. There we go. Oh yeah, let's roll this up. We did it, we're here. Whew. We are in the snow. I got a couple trees in the way of my view, but it sure is pretty though. I guess I better do my Garmin. Let everyone know I'm okay. So besides these trees in the way, I'm kind of looking right at the lake. It sure is beautiful. There's just a little bit of snow falling still. We got a good little dusting is all. Look at that lake. The mountain's gone again behind the clouds. Same as that one. It's just gone. We'll see if we get any more snow. I brought a ton of gear up. Wasn't sure how crazy it was going to be. Oh, let's sit down here. Let's take this off. Yeah, I've got some seriously warm stuff. So I'm not concerned at all about being cold. My sleeping bag I brought, which I'll get out here soon, is rated to -60. And I also have some bibs, like some winter bibs. Whew. There's some snow. Yeah, the bibs are rated to -50. So I could almost just like sleep right on the snow. But we won't, of course. Ah, there we go. And my little doormat. I think we're gonna make some pho, like some veggie noodle pho tonight. Get that going. I thought like a hot soup would be fun. I really wasn't sure how bad. I knew it was going to be snowy up here. I wasn't sure how extreme it was going to be. But having some hot soup sounded fun. Sounded nice. So, that is what we are going to do. I should get my little thermometer out and see the temperatures. Yeah, it's supposed to get in the teens Fahrenheit tonight, so it'll be like -7, -8 range, I think. If I'm doing my Celsius stuff right. Somewhere around there. I don't know. I'm a dumb American, sorry. I don't know Celsius. I have to do math, and I don't want to do math. Let's see. Should we do right there? I'm not sure how much to do. Well, we'll just do it all, I guess. We'll find out. Got some veggies, some carrots. Look at this, I got some broccoli and bok choy, some tofu, some green onions. We're just gonna get some of this going here. So I got my pan, I'm just gonna kind of throw everything in. A bunch of carrots. I got too much water in here, I already know. Okay, the temp's not so bad right now. All right, let's just get our stove going. Just so we can get this heating up. Might as well. Got some tofu I'm gonna cut here. I know people don't like tofu, but oh well, I do. It's nice. I was gonna make like little cubes or something. I'm being careful, I'm cutting in my hand here. I know, it's dumb, but I didn't bring my whole setup. Little cubes of tofu. In we go. Yoink. Yoink. Oh, it's so quiet out here. It's just so nice. Got some broccoli. Here, winter camping. Broccoli, what? I know, right? Crazy. We'll throw that in. We're just gonna throw a bunch of veggies in. And then we have some pho noodles at the end. We'll throw that in as well too, but we'll just get this stuff heating up. This isn't a very hard meal to make. It's just literally just like throw it all in a pot, make it hot. Done deal, you know. Okay, that's probably plenty of that. Green onions, I think I'll wait more towards the end. We've got some bok choy. Hearing something. I'm just gonna like rip these a little bit, like that, like rip them in half, throw them in. Let's kind of rip them down the center. I'm running out of room in my pot here. Temp is dropping quick. It's freezing for sure. It's in the 30s. But it actually feels like it warmed up a little bit. Megan and I, we make this all the time at home. That's one of her favorite meals is pho. Okay. Pick up all my pieces and trash and stuff. Combine those. And then we'll add the noodles, which I got just some pho rice noodles. And some green onions, and off we go. That's going to be dinner. Oh, I realized I forgot the best part, which I have veggie broth here. I got some chopsticks. I forgot to put my veggie broth in. There we go. Mucho flavor. Oh yeah. There we go, now we're talking. Starting to snow again. There's been thunder booming. Oh, a lot of more clouds are coming. We might get hit with more snow. Let that simmer for just a little bit. We won't worry too much about making it perfect. Just enough to eat. We'll add the noodles the very last because they're just super thin. Rice noodles. Oh, it smells amazing. Temps are dropping. I'm gonna have to get my bibs on here soon. Oh, yep. Just that quick. Okay, we might need to move some of this inside a little bit. Okay. Well, it's snowing. Our food's getting pretty close to done. I wonder if we come inside for a little bit and then see if the snow dies out. Okay. Let's cover all this up. Oh, it's really starting to come down now. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely starting to build up. It's falling much faster. I'm gonna pull a weather thing, see how long it's supposed to go for. If it's supposed to be kind of crazy, I might just bail, guys, honestly. I do have to get up at like 6, 7 a.m. and get out of here and drive back to work. This is a weekday. And if this is supposed to get crazy, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I want to deal with that, honestly. All right, we're going to see what the weather says. But until then, we got our broth going here. Yeah, it's really starting to come now. Ooh, yeah. Let's get our noodles in there. Kind of feeling the elevation a bit of rushing up here so suddenly. I've been coughing and stuff, so my throat's kind of scratchy. Oh yeah, that's picking up. This might just be a dinner in the mountains and heading home. All right, let's get these noodles in. These should just kind of cook with the heat of the broth. Boy, that temp has dropped quick. I don't know if you can hear it. It's definitely coming down. Boy, this smells good though. Let's have a nice carrot. Woo, hot. But yummy. That broth is amazing. Okay, we'll just let that capture the heat a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's going pretty good. I can see half of the lake right now. It's kind of a whiteout. We'll see. We will see. Sorry, this might just be hanging out in the tent. Yeah. All right. Let's get these layers on. See how the broth, how the noodles are doing. Oh yeah. There's some noodles. There's some broccoli, some tofu, some bok choy. Carrots. Ooh, yeah. Not done yet. We'll give them a few more minutes. They're still kind of gummy, you know. Oh boy. See if I can even get get a weather report. I mean, it's coming down pretty good. Yeah, we'll wait and see, because I do have to go up and over the pass. So if it's going to come down like a lot, I don't know. I don't know, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I think it's ready. I'm just going to dive in. Oh, yeah. This is hitting the spot nicely. Nice and hot. Well, I'm eating the soup. It's delicious. It's warming me up. It's tasting great. Waiting for the weather report, so it's really coming down now. Yeah, we'll see, guys. I don't know. I might have to bail on this one. If I had more time, it's only because I have to get up so early and get back. It just kind of, I don't know. So I'm gonna eat and just see. I'm communicating with Megan back home. It's storming down there too, so I don't know, guys. We'll see. But for now, I'm just gonna eat the dinner, just sit and hang out and just kind of see. This might have just been a dumb idea. Yummy. Alright guys, forecast is getting worse every time I pull it. Yeah, okay guys, I hate to be a wuss. Honestly, I feel like I'm a wuss, but I think I'm gonna bail. The forecast is getting worse. I've been pulling it for the last 20 minutes. I wanted to come test out just some freezing temps, maybe an inch or two. The forecast is shifted. It's supposed to be snowing all night. And it's estimating through the night and into the morning up to 18 inches. So, I think that decides it. I think I'm bailing. I don't remember the last time I've bailed on a camp. But I think I just got to do it. It's not looking too bad here. I mean, I don't know, it's not a ton, but it's gonna keep going up to 18 inches. It says, which could be various spots, you know, probably more the peak areas, but oh well. All right. So I'm sorry, guys. Maybe I'll still publish this. I don't know if you're seeing it. Obviously I did, but this might just be a fun excursion. Yay, we hiked out in some little snow. We got dumped on. I chickened out. If I had more time, I'd probably ride through it. But again, I have to get up at 6 a.m. and be back to work tomorrow. So I just don't want to risk it. I just wanted to play with some gear. So, which I would be totally warm and cozy. I'm not worried about, you know, getting cold or dying or something. I'm worried about being able to get out of here, get up and over the pass. I don't have snow tires or chains or any of that, so. Okay, all right, I gotta hurry and pack up. It's about 6:40 p.m., and that means the sun is going down like right now, whatever sun is left. Of course, it's behind snow clouds, so. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I feel disappointed in myself, but yep, see, there's more. Yeah, it's storming down in the valley. I don't know. This storm is just getting worse, so my bad. I shouldn't even have attempted it. But okay, I gotta hurry and pack up. I'm just gonna hurry and shove stuff in the bag and just hike out of here real quick. So I may start filming, I may not. I don't know, but I'm sorry, guys. Okay, where is everything? I feel terrible. Oh well. You gotta be safe. These are waterproof. Alright, let's get the tent. Woo-wee! Oh, it's getting cold. Okay, that's all this takes. Oh, that is so cold. Oh, I might not even stuff it. I might just throw it in the bag. Oh, it's starting to stop right now, which there will be a little lull, and then it's going to start dumping again, and it's going to go all night, it said. Just my luck, it's not going to do that, and it would have been totally fine. It is what it is. I'm just going to play it safe. So again, I'm sorry, guys. I just don't want to be stranded up here. If I had my snow tires and chains and more time, I'd probably go for it. Okay, I'm just warming my hands and my gloves. It's in the 20s now, which I'm warm and toasty, but fingers, woo-wee. We'll just call this one a dinner. Okay, let's hit it, everybody. While there's a little break. Sorry, let me check one more thing, make sure I'm not forgetting anything. Oh, I don't mean to be a wuss, guys. I hope that's not how it comes across. I'm fine to do some hardcore stuff, but I learned a long time ago from people, you trust your gut. You know, you don't push it. Even if you have the right gear, you don't push it. So I'm just gonna go. But this is a beautiful lake, though. You can kind of see it now. There was a lot of thunder just a minute ago, so I think more is on its way. I'll be back out again, and we'll try and do some more winter camping. I just won't set myself up for failure and wuss out. Anyway, I'm sorry, guys. This is part of it. This is part of the adventures. But this is also the convenience of only living an hour away from here, you know? Or 2 hours, I guess. I'm pretty high up. All right. We'll see you back at the car. Okay. Thanks for watching this short one. Sorry, guys. I didn't mean to bail. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much. And I'll do a much better job on the next video. We'll see you guys. Thank you. Snow is falling fast now. We're at lower elevations. We're a couple thousand feet lower. All this is going to turn to snow a few thousand feet up where I was. It's a lot.